The Brown G10 exclusive Manix 2 with the Bohler M390 blade steel, skeletonized liners. Just recently dropped satin blade. It is a Motang distribution, so it's, Motang Sportsman Supply Inc., which is pretty much everybody has them. Most of the online vendors. This is a huge distribution network. Talks about the M390 and the Brown G10. They went for $135.85. They are still trickling out. I thought they were all gone, and then I saw some hit last week again. I don't know if that's a new theme with Spyderco on the exclusives, or the distributors are doing that on purpose. Sending out a bunch and then they sell out, and then some more filter down through. It's good. Keep an eye out. There may be some returns also. And there will be a DLC version on this coming, very shortly, is what I've been told. So, this is just here's the analog steel, the 20CV crucible. This is the DLT with the red G10 skeletonized liners. Basically the same knife. Both have really good bevels. The Manix 2s don't seem to suffer from the PM2 and the Para 3, when this bevel just gets chewed to hell on one side. They're pretty symmetrical. I don't know if you could see that at the top, and then this one is also. The bevels are symmetrical on both sides all the way down. The Maximun Lightweight. And this is a knife that I've been meaning to get for a while now. There's been so many other things that I've been buying, but what a beauty this is. This XL. Look at the grind on that. It's almost perfect. They have these Manix 2s and Manix XLs, perfect. This knife, I have some Flytanium carbon fiber scales coming, so maybe I'll do a video on that. Just fits me like a glove. I have large hands. What a piece this is. What a gem. So keep an eye out. There probably will be some more trickling out. They shouldn't go up too much on the secondary market. And once again, if you did not get the satin version and you are interested in the Bohler M390, the DLC version with the blacked out hardware will be coming out. Manix 2 is just a sweet knife. It's a great workhorse. It's great with gloves on. The action on this is brand new, but it's just stellar. Perfectly centered. This is one of Spyderco's best knives. I say that about a lot of Spyderco knives, but everything about this. I have never got an off Manix yet to believe that. Some of the PM2s, the action isn't quite right. The Para 3s have all been really good because I've talked about that floating stop pin being just an improvement. But, the blades are always cut symmetrical. The grinds are good. The Manix 2, the Brown G10, the Bohler M390 Sportsman Supply distribution exclusive. And happy Thanksgiving, everybody, if I don't do a video before next week. Have a great holiday and be safe.